So, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'd like to introduce you to one of my favorite drinks because I feel better after drinking it. And if you put only ginger and honey in hot water, it means without a tea pack, it helps with period pains. I'm always get cramps during my period. I'm sure many women will emphasize it. So ginger is said to warm up the body and improve the circulation. So therefore, if the blood flow is improved, various pains such as a stiff shoulder, back pain, headache, and period pain can be relieved. So, and in the southern hemisphere, the season is now getting colder. So why don't you drink it to warm up your body? So I hope you will make it. So okay, let's get started. So okay, these are the ingredients for my favorite ginger tea, but you can adjust the amount of ginger and honey to your liking. So first, let's wash the ginger first. So I usually prepare more than enough ginger at a time, and then freeze the leftover ginger for the next time. And then let's remove the skin. So remove the ginger skin by rubbing it with a spoon. So okay, next grate the ginger. So okay, I grated all the ginger. So well done. And then next. Okay, let's make a ginger tea. So first, please add about 1 teaspoon of the ginger. And then let's add the hot water here. And then next, I add 1 pack of tea. And then please steam for a couple of minutes. So okay, a few minutes have passed. So I will take out the tea pack. So, and then also please add the honey as well. So please add as much honey as you like. Okay, I made a ginger tea. So じゃあ紅茶ジンジャーティーできました。いただきます。おお、ジンジャー、めっちゃジンジャー。あ、美味しい。My comments are not enough. Honey and ginger surround the body with happiness. It calms me down. Like I already feeling getting hot. My body. 熱くなってきた。てか熱くなってくる。熱くなってくるのがわかる、体が。And about the ginger, stretch the rest of the ginger flat and store in the freezer. The next time you want to use it, you can break up the frozen ginger into the amount you want to use and put in the cup. So, if you enjoyed my video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye!